goodness for Desi Music Factory. Like they're still dropping music videos. That's great. A new music video is dropped. It's titled "Ringtone." The singer is by Let Me See Preetinder, and the artists. Well, not the artists. The actors are Jannat, Zubair, and Siddharth Nigam. So I'm about to react to it. So let's go. Let's go, baby. Ooh, nice bike. Dude, that hair game's on point. Oh, that Punjabi flavor. Oh, why so lonely? Oh, this is a love triangle perhaps? Oh no, don't do that. Yeah, it's like a slow Punjabi themed song. I don't think I've ever heard of something this slow. Yeah, this might be one of the slowest Punjabi style songs I've ever heard. Oh my goodness. Who is that girl? No love triangles. Oh, that's sweet. All those portraits is a gift. Wow. Okay then. So yeah, that was Ringtone. This is definitely a different well, it's not, I know it's not Punjabi, but like it's like a Punjabi style song, but this is definitely different. Like it's definitely slower, which is pretty interesting. Visually, I thought it looked great. But overall, that was a nice, catchy song, and I'm so glad Desi Music Factory is still dropping videos. But guys, leave your comments below, like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram, @Matthew_. Take care.